Hi, my name is Gene Campbell, and I recently just created an application called Tip Out. It's an application that allows waiters and waitresses to track and log tip information. I got my inspiration because I currently work at a local restaurant as a waiter. I wanted a way to be able to log and record and see just how much my income is from the restaurant. And that is how I came up with this application. It is a application with a front end and a back end. The back end was built with Ruby on Rails with Postgres. They handle the database, and the front end is built with React with HTML and CSS. I will now walk you through my app. Everything for the most part was built from scratch. My buttons and my forms are Material UI. The font is some Google font that I found. The form is Material UI. And Tip Out is a logo that I created using an application called Sketch. And we'll create an account. Awesome, you can see the toast notifications. Our account's been created. We can now log in with those new credentials. Awesome. We are now on the home page. We don't have any shifts yet, so normally there'd be a chart here, but since we don't have any shifts, we have this cool little picture. Down here we can see our analytics. Everything's pretty much set at 0 right now since we don't have any shifts. We have a couple options up here at the top. We can enter a new shift, remove an old shift, view all shifts, or we can update our account. We'll go ahead and enter a new shift. We'll call it night shift. We have a calendar feature here. We can pick our date, restaurant name, total hours I worked for that shift. I worked 8 hours. I made $200 that shift. It was a great shift. And as you see right here, the comments are optional, but everything else is required. If you are missing a field, a notification will let you know. Once we have all of the information filled out, we can add a shift. Now you can see that we have this chart. You can see we have night shift here, $200. Day, we did nothing. If we worked a double, we could have both. And then we come down here, we can see our analytics adjusted, our total tips 200, total hours, total shifts. And then we break it down even, average tips per shift, and then break it up from night and day. So you can just pretty much see every type of breakdown. And then you can even see your best shift and your worst shift. We can remove that shift if we'd like to. We can view all shifts. And then we also have details right here. It was a great shift. The emoji will change depending on your hourly rate. If it is more than 15 an hour, you'll have this little money guy. If it's more than 10 an hour, you'll have a smiley face. If it's under 10 an hour, I believe it's a sad face. Because hopefully as servers or waiters or waitresses, we would like to make more than that. We'll go ahead and add one more shift real quick. And I'll show you how that looks whenever you add a new one and how it sorts. A little work. The shift's not as good. It was slow. Awesome. So we see the date popped up after, and we can see it's a red star now for day 80. If we click the star over here too, it'll make the whatever color we pick in the key pop up or stand out more or enlarge, which is a pretty cool feature of the chart. We go to view all shifts now. We can see our other shift. It's 10 an hour, so we still got a smiley face, but not the money guy. We can update our account, update our name, update our email, update our password. If you update the password, it will require you to enter your current password to change it to a new password. A nice little security feature there. We can also delete the account. And if there's any issues at all when you're messing or exploring the app, you can click here to send me an email and let me know what's going on. That way I can fix the bug or the error. Or you can just say, great job. But that's pretty much my app. Thank you for watching. I'll go ahead and log out here too. You get another little toast notification. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed my app and have a great day.